Intelligent Portfolios Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Intelligent Portfolios are in the description if you want to check it out. Intelligent Portfolios, offered by Charles Schwab, is a robo-advisor designed for investors who want a low-cost, hands-off approach to investing. It provides personalized portfolios based on your risk profile and financial goals, all while using low-cost ETFs for diversified exposure. What makes Intelligent Portfolios stand out is its no-fee structure for managing accounts over $5,000, making it an appealing option for investors looking to avoid high fees. The core feature of Intelligent Portfolios is its automation. Once you've completed a risk assessment, the platform allocates your funds into a mix of diversified ETFs. These portfolios span different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and commodities to ensure broad market exposure. Intelligent Portfolios also offers automatic rebalancing, meaning your investments will stay in line with your risk tolerance without any intervention on your part. One key strength of this robo-advisor is that it doesn't charge management fees for balances over $5,000, which is rare in this space. However, there are underlying costs for the ETFs, typically around 0.08% to 0.15%. This robo-advisor is well suited for investors who want a fully automated investment experience without the high fees associated with traditional wealth management. It's particularly appealing for investors looking to keep their costs low while still receiving a well-diversified portfolio. However, it's important to note that Intelligent Portfolios doesn't offer tax loss harvesting or financial planning services, which some competitors provide. Additionally, the minimum investment is $5,000, which may be a barrier for some beginner investors. In summary, Intelligent Portfolios offers a highly cost-effective and automated investment solution for those with larger balances looking for a hands-off approach. If you meet the minimum investment requirement and are okay with the lack of certain advanced features, it's a solid choice. Check out the links in the description for more info, and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more robo-advisor reviews.